Hey friends, in part 1, we explored where you can use icons in Notion and all the different types, from emojis and built-in icons to custom uploads and animated ones. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to add icons step by step to pages, databases, property fields, and even how to preset icons in templates so you don't have to redo them every time. Let's get started. To add an icon to any Notion page, simply hover above the page title and click Add Icon. Notion will pick a random emoji by default, but you can click again to customize it, whether it's a built-in icon, emoji, a link, or a custom upload. Once you've set the page icon, it will automatically show up in your sidebar navigation too, helping you find the page faster at a glance. You can also add icons to the database properties and to each individual entry within that database. This is especially useful if you're building dashboards and want each section to be clearly marked. The database properties are these column headers here. You can make your database more intuitive by adding icons to them. To do that, click on the property name, then click the small icon box next to it. Choose an icon from Notion's built-in library. But for properties, you can only use Notion's native icons. There are no custom uploads or emojis. The individual entries in your database are shown in these rows here. To change the default icon, click on the icon here. Then choose a built-in icon, emoji, or upload your own. If you want Notion to choose an icon or emoji for you, you can click the random button here. If you are using skin tone emojis and want to change their color, you can click on this skin tone selector here. To change the color of Notion's default icons, you can click on this color palette here. Now here's where things get smart. You can preset icons in a template so that every new entry uses the same icon automatically, saving you time. Let's say you have a meal planner. To set a default icon, click the drop-down arrow next to New and select New Template. In the template editor, click Add Icon and choose one. Then go back, click the 3 dots on the template and choose Set as Default for all views. Now, every time you create a new item in the database, the icon will automatically appear without you having to change them one by one. But if you already have existing entries, you'll need to manually apply the template to each one like this. To make your pages easier to scan, you can also add icons into headings. Here are 2 ways to do that. The first way is to use a callout block as a visual heading. Type /callout like this and choose callout. Then enter your text and format it. You can either bold it or choose heading 1, 2, or 3 here. To change the icon, click on it and pick from the Emojis or Notion's icon library. This is also where you can use GIFs, custom Canva uploads, or custom link uploads if you want something animated or different. The second way is to use emoji with text heading. First, type /heading and choose a text size. Then use colon to bring up the emoji picker. As this section is about attendees, we can type in a word like group. Choose an emoji and then type your heading text. Lastly, what I like to do is to select the text and change the color. And then choose a matching color for the background like this. And that's it! Now you know exactly how to add icons in Notion, from pages to databases to properties, and how to preset them to save time using templates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out part 1 if you missed it. where I explain all the different icon types and where they appear in Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.